Hi, everybody. New Year's Eve dinner table. There has to be one show-stopping dish that owns the table the moment it's served. Today's scallion oil braised chicken. The chicken is tender and the scallions are fragrant. Just bringing it out is enough to make everyone's mouth water. Today I used the yellow skin chicken. One is about 1 kilogram or so. First, quickly scald the skin of the whole chicken with boiling water. This step will make the chicken skin firmer. Once it's braised, the color turns out gorgeous. Prepare the marinade: light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, cooking wine, sugar, salt, and black pepper. Mix well. Pour the marinade on the chicken. It should also be poured into the belly of the chicken, otherwise there will be no taste in it. Then put the chicken in a sealed bag. Pour in the marinade too. Marinate for at least an hour. The more time, the stronger the taste. Next, prepare scallion oil. Lots of shallots cut into sections. Braised chicken with scallion oil. Green onion is also the protagonist. Spray a little oil on the bottom of the pan. First, fry the scallion white in a pot until fragrant. Remember to turn off the fire after smelling the fragrance. Prevent scallions from being burned off fire. Add the ginger slices and scallions in turn. Then put the marinated chicken in. The marinade is also poured into the pot. Add another half bowl of rice wine. Enhances the aroma while removing any gas. Cover the pot. Simmer on low heat for 25 minutes. When the time is up, turn off the heat and simmer for another 8 minutes. Do not remove the lid during simmering. After opening the lid, the color of the chicken is not dark enough. You can scoop a few more spoonfuls of the juice in the pot and drizzle it on the chicken. The color immediately becomes oily and even. Then sprinkle with shredded scallion and red pepper. Drizzle with hot oil. The fragrance of the scallion was all aroused at once. This scallion oil braised chicken skin is oily and not greasy, soft and elastic. The chicken has been stewed through scallion fragrance. The chicken is moist and tender. Tear it open. Perfectly tender and juicy. The scent of scallions seeps into every bite. Perfectly seasoned with just the right savory flavor. The more you chew, the better it smells. Very tasty. Serve this dish for New Year's Eve dinner. Not fancy, but very confident. Add this to your New Year's Eve dinner menu. See you next time.